An interface is a reference type that defines a contract of methods, properties, events, or indexers that a class or struct must implement. It does not provide implementation for these members but serves as a blueprint for other types to follow. Interfaces may contain static members, including static abstract members, but they cannot contain instance fields, instance constructors, or finalizers. All interface members are public by default. However, you can explicitly specify accessibility modifiers, such as public, protected, internal, private, protected internal, or private protected. A private member must have a default implementation. Interfaces can have properties, but they only define the property signatures, getter and/or setter, without providing a backing field. The implementation of the properties must be provided by the classes or structs that implement the interface. By convention, interface names begin with a capital I.